A very good morning, class 7th. Today I am your new maths teacher. We will start the exercise 12.3, which is about the circles. Right? So, everyone knows what is circle? A round shape like this. See, the proper circle you will draw with the help of compass. Just I am giving the examples. In this circle, there are the few points which we have to locate. Now, see, only by these points you will get what is radius, what is diameter. By locating the point in the circle, you can evenly create your own definitions. So everyone knows if a circle, it means center also there. So when you join the point on the circle and the center with the help of compass, so this what we call this radius. What we call this radius. Point join center and the point on the circle we join, that is radius. Now come to diameter. So see, any line, this and this, like this, any line which join two opposite points on the circle with the help of center. So this is what? Diameter. Right? Now come to arc. So the small portion of the circle, not the bigger one, the smaller one is called the arc. Right? We will call this. Clear? What is this? Arc. And in this smaller one is sector. This one is, students, sector. Clear my point to all? The line which joins the center and the point on the circle is radius. The line that joins the 2 points on the circle with the help of center, that is diameter. The smallest part of the circle is called arc, and the part between this is as sector. Next topic is chord. So chord is when we join 2 points. When we join 2 points on the circle, but the center will not come in between. Center between में नहीं आएगा. That is, what is this one? Chord. And the portion covered by the chord is segment. The portion covered by the diameter and radius is sector, and the portion covered by the chord is segment. Clear? Now, the main topic is circumference. As you all studied about the perimeter, same in circle we call that perimeter circumference. Entire length of the circle is circumference. Clear? What is circumference? Circumference is the length of the circle. As in the 2D shapes like square, rectangles, you call it perimeter. And in circle we call it circumference. So I hope these points are clear to everyone. If anyone have problem, you can comment and ask. Now come to radius. Radius we denote with R. Diameter D. Everyone knows because from 4th class we are studying the same things, radius and diameter. Diameter is twice of radius. How it comes? See, when a point join with the center, this is radius, and OA is also radius, OB also radius. So when we join OA plus OB, it makes AB, R plus R equals to 2R, which is equals to AB, and here AB is the diameter. Clear? Now, after this, let's come to the formula of the circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r. If radius is given, then the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. See, this pi is constant, it will not change, and the value of the pi is pi equals to 22 by 7. If in the question there is no value given of pi, then you will put pi equals to 22 by 7. Clear? After this, ये formula आप तब apply करोगे when radius is given. If diameter is given, then the formula of circumference is pi d, because d equals to 2r. So pi d, and the value of pi is 22 by 7. So this is about the circumference of the circle. Now come to the next one, that is area of the circle. How you will find the area of the circle? See, area of circle means outside and inside both, right? For this, we will use the formula, that is pi r square. Now, how it comes? When you draw the circle, this is what? Center. When you divide the center into equal parts, right? Then, what is this? See, this one is the radius, right? This one also is the radius. So when you divide the circle into the parts, there you will apply the formula of the triangle. And when you solve that, you will get the area of the circle, that is pi r square. So clear about the area, diameter, circumference. Now the next topic is about the area between two concentric circles. Area between two concentric circles. Now, what is this concentric circles? Circle every known. Concentric means, beta, the two circles having the same center. Two circles having the same center but different radius, right? But the different radii. See, one circle is this and one circle is this, and center of this circle is also this one, right? So center is same for both the circle and radii are different of both the circle. So how we will denote this? This radii we will denote with small r, and this radii of the outer circle we will denote with capital R, right? So area of inner circle, area of outer circle, and the formula is same. Formula same है आपका. Area of a circle is pi r square, right? So clear the point. These are the points which will help in solving the exercise 12.3. Now come to the filling the blanks. First fill up is the perimeter of a circle is called as what it's called? Perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Second one, the ratio between the circumference of a circle and its diameter is always. So how you will write this question? The ratio between, ratio everyone knows in proportions, these are the dots represent a ratio. Circumference and diameter, right? The formula of circumference which we have studied is 2 pi r, and diameter in the form of radius is 2r. So when you write like this, 2 cut by 2, r cut by r, and it comes pi. So the ratio between the circumference of a circle and its diameter is always pi. Remember this point. C is the circumference of a circle of a radius 14 centimeter is. Now in this C part, it is mentioned here that radius equals to 14 centimeter. So formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Put the values. Pi is mentioned here 22 by 7. R is 14. Solve it and write down. One more thing beta. In the circumference, as it is like perimeter, so units will not change. Whatever be the answer, units will centimeter. D part, the diameter of a circle with circumference 22 centimeter is. Now in the D part, they are asking about the diameter and circumference is given, that is 22 centimeter. So in the case of diameter, what is the formula of circumference? That is 2d, right? 22, d will here, 2 will goes in division, sorry, this will come pi d. So what? Pi value is 22 by 7. So this 22 here and 7 come here. 22 cut by 22 and it equals 7 centimeter. Right? Circumference in the case of diameter is pi d. Put the value of pi 22 by 7. When this come this side, 22 will come down and 7 will come up. 22 cut by 22 and 7 centimeter. Now the E part. If the circumference of a circle is 88 centimeter and its area is, so what is there? Given there circumference, that is 88 centimeter, and we have to find the area. So firstly, if you want, you can find from this the radius. 2 pi r equals to 88. R will be here. 2 divided by 22 multiplied by 7. From here you will find the value of r, and area equals to pi r square. In this formula put the value of r and you will get the answer. Right? Now come to key 2. That is, the circumference of a circular disc of radius 21 centimeter is. In this radius given, you have to find the circumference, put in the formula and you will get the value. After that, B part, that is also you can do. Area of a circle you have to find with the radius, that is already mentioned here. E part also the same. Now come to the D part. if the area of the circular tin plate is, now in this area is given. What is given? Area. That is same like this, and its circumference is. Area given hai, circumference you have to find. So same you will do. You will find the radius from this and put the value of the radius in the circumference. Look students, in area and circumference, the main value is of radius. What? Radius. Right? Because these two pi and pi is constant. So, if the calculation is wrong, the value of the radius goes wrong and the area automatically be the wrong. So, when you will find the value of the radius, be careful, be attentive. After this, these K1 and K2 you will do. Now come to the S1. If the ratio of the circumference of two circles is 2:3. Now the ratio is given between the circumference. 2:3. This is of circumference. Right? Equals to, you will write here circumference 1 ratio circumference 2. The ratio is 2:3. So circumference formula is pi r, right? 2 pi r1 ratio 2 pi r2. It simply means that r1 ratio r2 equals to 2:3. Now the ratio of their areas we have to find. The ratio of their areas, that is equals to formula of area, that is pi r square. So pi r square 1 ratio pi r square 2, right? So in this also what it comes? It will come up to r1 square ratio r2 square. So r1 2 ratio 3 square, that is 4:9. Clear? See, area is twice of the circumference only in the case of radius, right? Here radius is in the power 1 and here in the 2. So we will square the radius also and we will find the ratio of their areas. Now the second question is also like this, that is S2 ratio of the areas of two circles equals to 36:49. Same, that is pi r square 1 ratio pi r square 2 equals to 36:49. So in this the ratio of squares are this. We have to find the ratio of the circumference, ratio of circumference. So from the first you know that circumference means single one and area means twice the radius, means square of the radius. So here is 2 pi r1 ratio 2 pi r2, right? Means r1 ratio r2, that is equals to, now 36 is the square of 6 and 49 is the square of 49. One is 7. 7 sevens are 49, 6 6 are 36, right? So ratio of the circumference is 6:7. See, here you have to explain. If in the MCQs type questions, it will come that ratio of the area of two circle is given. So what you have to do, when you find the circumference, find these number are square of which number, right? If here comes 4, then radius 1 is 2, 9, then 3. So in MCQs this formula will help you. Now after S2 come S3, that is the diameter of a circular park is 42. A 3.5 meter wide path lies along the periphery just outside the park. Now in this the concept of concentric circles come. So how you will do these questions? In these types of questions, students, we will go step by step. Right, in the first line it is given that the diameter of a circular park. So what is mentioned here? Diameter. Right, that is 42 meter. So from this diameter we will calculate the radius, and radius is 21 meter. Right, after this a 3.5 meter wide path. So see, this is the diameter of circular park, means small r. This one is the small r, which is equals to 21 meter. After this 3.5 meter wide path, right, it means the longer one, the shape you will accurate with the help of compass. And this one, that is capital R. So capital R equals to 21 plus 3.5 means 24.5 meter. Right. After this, now firstly we will find the area of this path. And how you will calculate the area of this one is, firstly you will calculate the area of inner circle, that is, so in this inner circle we will use the radius of small r. So formula is pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 multiply r. Radius of the inner circle is 21 cross 21. Calculate and find the area of the inner circle, and the unit is what come here? Meter square. Same like this you will calculate the area of outer circle. Area of outer circle. And for outer circle we will use capital R as a radius. 22 by 7, R will come here 24.5, again 24.5. Cut it and multiply and find the area of the outer circle. After this, what you will do? So now we have to find the area of this shaded part, or you can write the area of the path. So area of path equals to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. And here you will get the area of the path. Right? After this, the next question in the next line, that is, find the cost of constructing a pavement on the path at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. So how you will do that? Here you will write the cost of 1 square meter path is equals to rupees 20, and the cost of how much you will get from here, path equals to multiply by 20, and you will get the answer of the cost of constructing that pavement path. Clear? So students, once again look at this one. In the first line it is mentioned that diameter equals to 42 meter. So everyone knows radius is half of diameter, that is 21. Now 3.5 meter wide path lies along the periphery just outside the park. It means from every side it is 3.5. So capital R means radius of the outer circle is 24.5 meter. After this you will find the area of the inner and outer circle. After finding the area of these circles, we will find the area of the path by subtracting the inner circle area from outer circle area. And after that, cost of 1 square meter path is this, and cost of what you will get path multiply with rupees 20. In the next question, S4. In the figure below, if the radius of the larger circle is 12 centimeter, it means capital R is 12 centimeter, and that of the smaller circle is 8 centimeter, and small r is 8 centimeter, right? So find the area of the shaded region. And in this question beta, it is mentioned that the value of the pi you will use here 3.14. So pi contains two values, one is 22/7 and second value is 3.14. Where you will use this value of the pi that already mentioned in the question. And if it is not mentioned, it means you have to use the value of the pi, that is pi equals to 22/7. Right? After this, you have to find the area of the shaded region. So shaded means this one. So it is very simple. Firstly, you will find the area of the inner circle whose radius is 8 centimeter. And then area of the outer circle, radius is 12 centimeter. Subtract from inner from outer, and you will get the area of the shaded region, right? After this, S5. From the circular sheet of radius 3.5 centimeter, a circle of radius 1.5 centimeter is cut out. So find the area of the remaining sheet. That is also the same like this. First is radius, that is 3.5 centimeter, right? We will find the area of circular sheet, that is again pi r square, and in this value of the pi is not mentioned, so we will use here 22/7. 22/7, 3.5 multiply 3.5. Cut it and find the area of the circular sheet. Now the sheet cut, that radius is 1.5 centimeter. Again find the area of this one. Same formula, pi r square, that is 22/7 multiply 1.5 multiply 1.5. Solve it and find the area. This one is the total area of the sheet and this one is cut from that sheet. So remaining means total minus what is cut, and you will get the area of the remaining sheet. Clear, student? After this, our next question S6, and that is find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 5.8. Now in this, diameter is given here, that is 5.8 meter. Now radius that is divide by 2, right, and it become 2.9 meter. Now same area, find area of circular tabletop equals to pi r square. So value of pi is 3.14 multiply with r 2.9. Remove the decimal by 100. So either multiply 314 multiply 29 divide by 10,000, right? That is square meter. After finding the area of the circular tabletop, find the rate of polishing. So rate of polishing 1 meter square equals to rupees 10. So rate of polishing, the area we get here equals to multiply with 10 and you will get the answer. Clear, students? This is the S6. Now the S7. The diameter of a wheel of a car is 84 centimeter. So in this also what is mentioned here? Diameter of wheel, that is 84. So if you find the radius, again same, half of diameter, that is 42 centimeter. Find the number of revolution it makes to travel 66 kilometer. So again, firstly, the radius of the wheel is 42 centimeter. Now in this, find the number of the revolution it makes to travel 66 kilometer. So students, wheel was like this, right? And revolution means कि वो outer पे आपके round लगाएंगे, outer से ही move करेगा आपको inner side से. Revolution की बात है तो it means what we will do, we will measure the outer part and for the outer part we will find the circumference of the wheel, right? What? Circumference of the wheel, and formula is 2 pi r, that is 22 by 7 multiply 42. So 7 6 are 42 and it becomes 44 multiply 6 264 centimeter. Now how many number of revolution to make it to travel 66 kilometer, and here the unit is centimeter. So this revolution to travel how much? 66 kilometer, right? So what we will do, we will convert this kilometer into centimeter. So 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, and 1 meter 100 centimeter. So indirectly 66 multiply with 1 lakh to convert into centimeter, and it equals to 66 lakh, right? Centimeter. Now we have to find the number of revolutions. Number of revolution, right? How many times it rotate? 66 lakh divide by 264. When you divide, you will get your answer means the number of revolution. Clear to all? In this question, the main part is the conversion of this kilometer to centimeter. Right, students? So, when they are talking about just the revolution, it means there you have to find the circumference, right? And when they are talking about to paint something, it means you need to find the area. After this question, the next question, that is S8. A circle of radius 3 cm is cut from a square piece of metal sheet. Find the area of the leftover metal sheets. Now in this question, see, same like this question we have done before also, S8. Firstly, you will find the area of the square metal sheet, then you will find the area of the circle. And last, subtract from area of the metal sheets minus area of the circle, and you will get the area of the leftover metal sheets. Clear question? That S8 you will do yourself. If anyone have any problem, you can comment and ask.